This is a quick demo video to show you how to use webhooks with our minting API. So we'll start by logging into the dev console. One thing to keep in mind is that both API keys and webhooks are scoped to the project that you have selected up here in the nav bar. So let's start by creating some new API keys for this. We only need the NFTs.mint scope, so that's what we'll select. All right, so now we have a new API key. I'm going to go save these into our API reference page so that we can make requests directly from here. And don't worry, I'm going to go delete these keys before you get a chance to do something with them. All right, so now we have this set up to make requests to mint an NFT. Now let's go create a webhook to go along with it. Okay, so now we need the URL. So I'm going to jump over to my editor. I have this little Next.js app running locally. And this just takes in basically a post request and logs out the body of it. But what we really need is a URL that we can set in the webhook response in Crossmint. So let's do... ngrok is a free tool that will give you a publicly accessible URL and route it to your local system so that you can do testing like this. Obviously, this is just a demo, and when you want to put webhooks in production, you'll take a little bit different approach, but this will get you the idea. All right, so we'll come back here. All right, and I need to add the path here. And we're going to subscribe to the mint.succeeded event, so we'll save that. All right, so now everything is set up, ready to go. Let's mint an NFT. I'm going to mint it on Polygon. And all right, we'll go ahead and send that. Okay, so we can tell that it's pending right now. Let's go watch the, oops, wrong tab. Okay, now we can see that the mint just succeeded. I got here just in time for you to see that. And so here is the payload that we'll send to your webhook listener. Got the ID of the NFT that was minted using that endpoint, and probably more relevant, the transaction ID, the wallet address, contract address, and of course the token ID. And that's all there is to it.